Ciao Charbel!
Hi, Cinzia.
So we are in Marina Residence 3, a large 3-bedroom as you saw. It's huge, it's beautiful, right?
Amazing.
What do you
Stunning,
think?
yeah.
It's a renovation done by Smart Renovation. We just finished this apartment. We fully renovated. Floor, kitchen, bathroom, master bathroom, TV, lounge, beautiful floor. You agree with me?
Yes. What material is it?
These tiles looking stone in ash grey. So we only use lighter color, but we play a bit in the bathroom. Yeah. Usually in the master bathroom, I always like to do something more luxury. I use big slab onyx effect. And in the two guests, I play more with brick, touch of color, taking back the fact that we are close to the seaside, and powder room.
Yes, this is your favorite part of the house.
I love it. Powder room.
What's the idea?
The idea was to maintain the mood of this ash grey. So ash grey stone all around, a future wall, little bit more aggressive polish. So we mix and match polish and matte. That is something that usually I do. Mirror with LED and a basin on the blue. All the apartment has a lot of mood blue, ash, and powder room as well of this.
And you want to tell me more about the master bathroom?
Master bathroom?
The tiles.
Yes, it looks to be a little bit an ocean. It's onyx blue, that is super lovely. I accommodate with the tiles stone effect on the cold color. I never like to mix and match cold and warm. On this I'm a bit strict because every time people they do this mistake, I notice and really catch my eyes in a wrong way. So cold color, blue tiles, and a beautiful freestanding bathtub that is the one that really catch the attention. Kitchen, we decide to play with the white to have this apart a little bit more on the lighter color, and countertop in contrast we play with this black quartz. So remember, the countertop of the kitchen should always be quartz, cannot be marble because absorb, can be granite, but usually it's very difficult in granite to find something really cool. We have a fridge that is freestanding. Normally we recommend everything insert. Apart, your fridge is not really something nice, but we have to be also practical. So if you want a double fridge, huge fridge, of course the fridge can be compromised, but definitely oven, microwave, and cooker, we prefer to do everything insert. And we move a little bit of the kitchen with the shelves in order to have a little bit more movement, and LED in all the cabinet, facing the island, so something that I like. I would love to add a light on top of the island, so we'll see if the client will authorize. Living room is huge. We decide to have here a sitting area, dining table, it's more close to the kitchen, and then a small bar that in this case has been bought, it's not custom made. Usually I love bar custom made, conceal. In this case the apartment is for rent, so it's absolutely more than enough what is being done.
Yeah.
So the two guest bathroom, again we play a little bit more with the warmer color, brick on the chevron, and two different kind of blue, a blue cold, and in the other bathroom a Tiffany blue. That it's really nice in combination with mixer, mirror with LED. We decide to have a different mirror, one round, one half moon, that is super interesting for the makeup and so on. So I really like this apartment and really like the client. This is most important. And
always, yes.
Hope you like, hope you enjoy. Ciao.
Thank you guys. We'll see you again soon.